This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kaptu kat Nepal hadian bana kaliang kahinyo trap youth council HYC kala lej banya kendu ya ka director katanat animal husbandry and veterinary banya kren ha kabaya day baga jingbam don ki Jakarta lasi ki ban khmi banya ya ka jingwan rung ki merat bam do sya ka ni jella na kaliang uba AL hack u menteri beri khmi ya ka ni katanat ula pentip bana kaliang ka sarkar kala sedang ban sna ya ki kherdop talasi ha ki benta ka than Bhoi pat kum jo ru ha West Garo Hills district Haba pentip ya kene sikilat pathai kubor ha no pai sngi jong sautre unai tung araja arpusan upa AL hek ula ong payakini ki kherdap talasi an penyang han narang Bhoi district bat kawai pat hanidanpur West Garo Hills district bat ukmi lenti pa Shen an la ban pendap no yaki Nalor kata ula ong ru bahaga be day pat bat ka jing khayi be an yaki marat hadu menta umpat yo ka nu ka kai pat Ula pentip, benak kaliang katanat ka jua yaki sernot syaki ba penrung yaki merat sekani ka jela bat ban benrap ba anam sya yanu ru ban le yakani ka kambean.
The government is under construction of the checkpost and quarantine center for the animals there in Bhoi district and soon will be completed and also will be implemented. But this is from the DBO level and the veterinary doctors level, they are issuing the health certificate to those vendors who are bringing the livestock to the state of Meghalaya. Anything which is doing illegal should not be allowed. Simple. It has to be with the proper document, the proper checking. It can be brought to the state of Meghalaya. Chairman of the district is the deputy commissioner. So if anything is there doing illegal, the deputy commissioner of any district, they will take the call on this.
But will you instruct or will you give directive to the deputy commissioners to act on this?
That is already notified also. From long back it is notified.
But since the allegation has come to date, so
allegation it can come tomorrow also. That is not. That is the continuous issue. But allegation will come, but the notification is already there. But only thing which is not implemented from the officially from the government, where it is under construction, it will be completing very soon, and it will be make it functional. No, without paper, how they will allow? They should be with the.
Exactly. Without paper,
that's why we have to mention the checkpost. So that's why the checkpost will be make in place the checkpost.
So will you ask the government to at least strengthen the checkpost at the border?
That's why I'm saying you now we are constructing 2 checkposts in the state of Meghalaya is under under progress now. One is in the Bhoi Narang in Bhoi district. One is Nidanpur in Garo district.
And what about entities?
Now we have got sanction only for 2, so let's start for the 2 only, then we start functioning this one. Then we can go to other district also later on. We cannot stop only in 2 districts.
So what kind of mechanism will be there in this checkpost to make sure that
will be monitored by the veterinary department. The doctor will be there. He will check the health status of the animals, whether it fit under for consumption. This is all the SOP is already there in place.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya